KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, April 7th. I'm James Spann. Got some active weather at times through midweek. The noticeably cooler air settles in here late this week. Let's talk about things. Here's the upper air look across the country early this morning. Once again, got a big upper low that's just around San Francisco. And little ridge axis to the west of the state. We have a northwest flow aloft. And a little light rain falling early this morning. That was the radar composite a little before 5 o'clock. Some patchy light rain over southwest Alabama. We'll see some rain at times today, but probably nothing too heavy. Temperatures early this morning, mostly upper 50s and low 60s. We'll expect a high in the 70s for the northern half of the state today. There's the watch warning map. Got a flash flood watch for parts of California with that storm out there. Otherwise, the weather quiet with a few patchy areas of fog across the country this morning. Later today, some active storms likely from Indianapolis and Grand Rapids over to Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. Got the standard slight risk of severe storms up there. And down this way, we have a low-end marginal risk for parts of west and southwest Alabama for this afternoon. That's for the chance of some small hail and gusty winds. But again, the overall severe weather threat is not especially high. Now, tomorrow, we've got the standard slight risk centered a little north of here. That noses down into the Tennessee Valley. And then a marginal risk down to Greensboro and Clanton and Lafayette. And this is mainly for activity along a cold front that's going to be after midnight tomorrow night, early Thursday morning. This outlook runs until 7 a.m. Thursday. And again, we'll talk about this in a minute. And then after 7 a.m. Thursday, just a very small marginal risk for extreme east Alabama. Rain for the next 7 days. Pretty wet down here. Keep in mind, this includes the rain we see through Tuesday morning. Looks like a pretty good soaker is going to come in here late this weekend as well. Rain totals for the next 7 days between 2 and 3 inches for much of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the OZ run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Big storm system over California. Again, a northwest flow aloft here. And a little wave riding down that flow will likely bring a batch of showers and storms later today and this afternoon. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock, and again, you can see showers and storms across parts of north and central Alabama. This is the instability today at 4, and there's just not much. That's going to be obviously a big limiting factor. But if storms can sustain themselves for a while, they might produce some small hail, gusty winds. But again, I'm just not expecting a severe weather problem today. Now, tomorrow, the air should be more unstable. As we heat up, we're going to be up in the 80s tomorrow, low to mid-80s. There could be a few showers during the day, but I think a decent chunk of the day dry. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Not much going on here, but the air is going to be awfully unstable. The Cape values exceeding 3,000 joules per kilogram. So anytime you see numbers like that in April, you certainly could see a pop-up storm, but there's no dynamic forcing, and there's probably going to be some convective inhibition as well. So a warm day, a mostly dry day tomorrow. But the cold front comes in here after midnight tomorrow night. And this is 6 a.m. Thursday, showing a broken band of thunderstorms coming through here. So the main reason we have that risk of severe storms up on the day 2 outlook, it's for this stuff that will be after midnight tomorrow night with the front. And the wind profile is unidirectional. The main issue would be from hail and strong winds, but they should be in a weakening mode by that time of day as they drop on in here. But as always, we'll keep an eye on them. So a cold front coming in here during the pre-dawn hours Thursday with a band of showers and storms. Then during the day Thursday will be dry and cooler. The high will be close to 70, the sky becoming mostly sunny. And Friday will be a sunny and cool day. The high will be in the 60s. This is Saturday, and again, Saturday morning could be pretty chilly. We're going to see some 30s, I think, in the colder pockets with a chance of scattered frost, nothing widespread. The clouds will likely increase during the day Saturday, and you can see the GFS is coming around to the faster European solution, and boom, we go wet on Sunday and maybe stormy. This is the European solution for Sunday, and that's a severe weather look with a surface low a little to the west of Memphis. And if the air can destabilize on Sunday, that could produce some strong to severe storms. And this is Easter Sunday. So just be aware of that. I understand this is a long way down the road, and we don't know the specifics yet, but that might be either a severe weather or a heavy rain situation for Sunday, or maybe both. This is the instability on Sunday coming off the European, and again, that's certainly sufficient for severe storms with dynamic forcing like we're going to have. And then, but Monday, that's on by, and that's going to be a cool day. It's a very cool look for Monday. Highs only around 60 north of Birmingham in the 50s. And then Tuesday, look at the troughing over the eastern states. And down below that, it's cool and dry. And again, Tuesday morning of next week, we might see some frost with lows in the 30s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 16th. And again, troughing over the east and maybe some light rain over the Tennessee Valley. But this is 10 days out. This will change. Rain for Birmingham numbers are coming up. I saw at the GFS Ensemble, the mean between 4 and 5 inches for the rest of April. This is coming off the national blend of models. You can see the dip down on Friday, a dip down middle of next week. This is off the GFS Ensemble, and it's got 39 for Birmingham Saturday morning, 36 on Thursday morning of next week. And again, on both of those models and around those time frames, there certainly could be some frost. And that deal next week, that might bring a freeze, a late-season freeze to some spots. So again, growers beware. Here's the CPC outlook for the 14th through the 20th of this month. A lot of dark blue on that map, and you know what that means. Temperatures will be well below average. And finally, a quick shout-out to my buddies. These are some guys from Lincoln High School, home of the Golden Bears. I love Lincoln, but thanks to you guys for watching. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.